So now you understand that logics need not only be regarding numbers, as in this case equals 2 and greater than 5, and they can also be regarding the texts in your cells. We can tweak question number 1 further to understand this application of if by making our loyal customers when they purchase more than 5 products, right? So not 5 or more, now we have more than 5 of our products. So now the formula will change. Now if we type equals to if and select this, the logic test will be that this cell needs to be greater than 5, because now our criteria has changed and says more than 5 products. So this is greater than 5, then comma, and then now you can write bonus if the value is true, and no bonus if the value is false, or you can go with yes and no as we were doing previously. Then you press enter, and now you know that this person is not getting a bonus. And when you drag this, you can see that 6 is getting a bonus, 7 is getting a bonus, and anything below 5 or 5 is not getting a bonus, right? So you can change your criterias. Same goes over here. If this was not a bag, or maybe our scales were faulty, so all you need to do is change this bag and write scale over here, right? And when you press enter, then your answers will change accordingly. So now only our scale customers need to get a text, and the ones who are not buying scales don't need this text. Let's move on to the third question. The third question says we need to select 5 random customers to offer them discounted items, right? So we need to show who these 5 random customers are who will get this discount. Now recall the rand between and len functions, which were allowing us to select random people. So we can use either of those two, and this question specifies that we can either get it by rand between or use len, and the criteria we have been given for len is that the discount should be offered to only those who have 6 letters in their names. So let's try the rand between function first. For rand between, we will move over here a little down, right? And then we will type rand between as our best practice, and then we will do equals to rand between, select this. Okay, now you don't have any numbers over here. Even if I type 1 to 20 brackets close, now you don't know what this 16 means. What you need to do now is give these names serial numbers. So you can write over here serial numbers, and you can type in serial numbers, or you can simply drag your fill handle and fill series. So now you have all these serial numbers over here. So now you will apply the formula again, rand between, and then you will give it the serial numbers range, that's 1 to 16. So you will type 1 to 16 brackets close, and then drag this formula down to 5 cells. Now I have the formula dragged down to 5 cells. Remember that these will keep changing, so what you need to do is copy these and paste them in a separate column with the values only. That's the paste special option, and you will write over here your fixed values so that your teacher knows that you know how to apply the rand between function and to make your values static. Do not omit any part of this working in your exams or quizzes, because this is essential. Now you know that these are the people who will get the discount, but the major problem is that you will not go back and see who 1 is and then who 15 is. So for this we will be using the VLOOKUP function, which will come up in the coming lectures, which will easily allow you to know the names of the customers who have these serial numbers. For now you have understood how the rand between function has worked over here. Let's move on to the len function. Now the len function is asking us to return the people who have 6 letters in their names, and only those will qualify for this discount. So what you will do is you can type len over here and then perform the function len tab, and then you give it the text, that's this cell, bracket close, enter, and then you will drag your formula down. So now you have the alphabets for all the people's names. Now you need to know if this person is qualifying for the discount or not. This is where the logic function comes in. So now you need to perform the if function again. You will type in if, select it. Now the logic test is that the persons should have 6 letters in their name. So this cell should have the value of equals to 6 only. Okay, not greater than or equal to or greater than equal to, etc. Only equal to 6. Then you will press comma and then you will give in value if true. So this says yes discount or give discount or only discount and no discount when false, bracket close. So now you understand the logic is that if this person has only 6 letters in their names, then they qualify for the discount, otherwise they don't get the discount. Then you give enter. Now you drag your formula. So now you know who those 5 people are who will get the discount.